Hello all, welcome to the demo of EVM, electronic voting machine. This is our full setup. We have a PC here and a board with AVR and MCU. In the board we have a control switch, LCD and 4 other switches for voting. Now we will show you how it works. First, we power on the unit. If we press key A, we start polling. A voter can give his vote only after the unit is enabled by pressing the control switch. When we press the control switch, the LED glows and the voter can vote now. He can give only a single vote. Another voter can use this only after pressing the control key again. Once the polling is done, we can disconnect the system. And on the counting day, we power on the unit again. We can read the counting by pressing the key B. This is the working of EVM. Thank you for watching our procedure.